Good morning. Olympia Conference Centre, Rob Porter speaking.
Hello. Could I speak to Mrs. Healy, please?
I'm sorry, sir. Mrs. Healy isn't in today. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, I'm calling about the price of the executive lunch buffet. She wanted to know if the price quoted included alcoholic beverages.
What is the date of the buffet?
Oh, that's April the 23rd.
Right, I've got that.
Well, the price does not include alcoholic beverages.
I see. So the price of the lunch buffet on April the 23rd does not include alcoholic beverages.
That's right.
And what was your name, sir?
Mr. Singh. That's SINGH of Crown Catering Group.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch the company name.
Crown Catering Group.
Right. I'll give Mrs. Healy the message. Thank you for calling, Mr. Singh.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.